Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Natalie, and welcome to my channel, Life with Natalie. That was so great, right? Welcome back to my channel, you guys. Today's video, as you can see from the title, I'll be doing a try-on haul with you guys. And I'm sorry, I don't know how to pronounce, and I don't know how to pronounce this brand's name. And I feel like that's what I should have asked. But I assumed it was Hsia. And I feel like that's what I want to go with, to be safe. Hsia. So Hsia sent me some bras to try on, and ladies. I know I mentioned this in my last bra try on with the brand, but for me, in my small frame, it's so hard to find a brand that is true to their size. Like, people, well, not people, but women can't believe that I am the size that I am, which is a 34D. I know, it's weird, right? But it's so hard to find the perfect size, the perfect bra where your nips are not peeking through, or your areoles, yes, I call it areoles, are not peeking through. I need a bra that is supportive, minimalist, and just I can wear with anything. So we're gonna see if Hsia holds that standard. I already tried on one bra yesterday. If you guys checked out my video that I posted yesterday for my Vlogtober Day 22, you would see that I had the Hsia bra on. And even when I was doing the jumping jump with the when I was trying to put my jeans on, I had the bra on, the girls did not move. So I am excited to see what the other bras are like. Okay, so this was the bra I had on yesterday, and let me tell you something. The girls didn't move in this. They were supportive. They were safe and sound in this bra. Okay? Alright. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so this is the first bra. She is cute. Let's go ahead and try her on. Let me move this back. Alright, so the girls look so good. Alright, yeah. The girls look good. Like, and I have it at the last setting. The girls look good. The girls look. Listen, this is all I need to show you guys. I didn't even need to adjust anything else. Like, nothing. Like, these are the type of bras when if you lose or gain, like, they're still perfect. Like, of course the girl's gonna go in cup size, but you adjust to that. But look at the material. Nothing like it. I don't even want to take this off. This feels amazing. Wow. Alright, let me go ahead and try. I have 4 others. Let me try them on. Yeah. I've never owned a purple bra before. I don't know if you guys go by Hsia, Hsia, But whatever name you guys go by, hats off. I don't think I've had a bra that fits this good since I've been in like high school, since the girls started to grow when I was bra training. Like, what? I could do a whole photo shoot in these. This is sexy. This is extremely sexy. Like, if you guys sent me some underwears with these two, I probably would have got pregnant tonight. Yeah. What, like, you know what? Like, I need you guys to kind of explain to me, how do I wear like colored bras? Like, with which colored shirts? Because I've never known that. No one's ever taught me that. Nor have I ever researched it. But yeah, like, look at the material. It fits so good. So good. Like, let me tell you something. All the other bras are usually like, they stop like right here. They usually stop there. And by the time they get washed and stuff and they shrink, your areola's done made its way through it. But this, nah, this is some good material. Always remember, when you're putting your bra on, always bring the bra back so that way you can hook it first. Okay, let me show you. So you hook it to what you think fits you better, which is always the last setting for me. And then once I'm done hooking up, I turn it around, put the straps on, adjust it how you need. Voila. How fucking... I wasn't supposed to cuss. I am so sorry. How nice. Wow. It fits so good. The girls just looks nice. Like, there's no other words that I can give this. Like, as you guys can see how the girls are girling right now, right? Jump test. The girls are still girling. I mean, I don't expect to be jumping and jumping all around when having my bras on, but you know, if anything would happen, at least I know the girls are safe. Yeah. All right, now this one can kind of show the areolas, which is fine. I ain't never owned a green bra a day in my life, but I'm trying to figure out, why haven't I? Like, why haven't I ever? Like, look how good this thing look on my skin tone. The girl, y'all gonna have me as a, you guys had me as a forever customer. Like, what? Okay, girls, I don't care how many bra try-on hauls I do, I don't think no one can top this. Like, I could probably work out in these. Like, all right, jump test. All right, now it did go down a little, but I think I could secure that because of course it comes with adjustments. Like, always remember, bras comes with adjustments. Look at the material. The girls look good, don't they? Okay. I didn't have to adjust anything. 34D, straight out of the box, try it on, and the girls are growing. I gotta show my husband. Hold on. Babe, this is one of the bras that they sent me. You like the green, right? Never have I had a green before.
I've never seen your green. That's really nice. I like to kind of see through the top.
Can you see much on it?
No, you can't see much. I'm just saying, like, you like the inside of it.
Yeah.
I think it's pretty cool.
Right?
Nice breasty seats.
They sent me a purple one too.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, I've never
seen you with green.
Never. I've always had like neutral and black. The only colors I had. And when I tell you, I've never had like. The girls look good.
Yeah, I'm about to say comfortable. It looks like they're comfortable. It looks like they're covered. Look like they won't fall out.
Yeah.
You take your shirt off and it be nipple out. Yeah, see? Like shoulder pads.
Right, exactly. They feel good too.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that actually is like.
Yeah, right.
Like this seems like nice material. Yeah, that looks nice.
Like great quality. Yeah, it does, right? Because all the other, I mean, not to throw shade at anyone else that's sent me bras, but this number one.
Yeah, it looks nice.
You hear?
Like you would not wear it out, but at the
right.
same time, depending on where you are, you could possibly.
Exactly, right? Like if I had like, you know how the girls be throwing on like a quick little like vest over there, like bras, like they make it into a style. Like this can actually be a style.
You know, somewhere outdoor you had like a longer or shorts, and then with that, I mean, it looks good.
Right.
It look like a stylish bra.
You heard it first.
Yes.
All right, y'all heard it from my husband. This bra is a go. This bra is not this bra. All the bras from HSIA. All the bras from HSIA is good. A1, okay? All right. All right, as you guys heard it first from me and my husband, these bras are gold. Like, I mean, like, come on, right? And I'm not even trying to sit here and trying to show my breasts. I'm like, if you're a male, please exit. If you're a male watching my video, please exit, because this video is for the girls, okay? If you're a male trying to figure out which bra to get for your wife, you can stay. If you're a male trying to figure out if you want to get a bra for yourself, please stay. But for the pervs, please exit. We ain't got time for y'all, okay? So anyway, they sent me 5 bras, including the tester, because honestly I couldn't figure out my size. And because like so many companies have like wrong sizes when you try them on, you really don't know. And even when I get my bra size at Victoria's Secret, they initially sized me with like a 3-4C. I'm not a C cup, because when I'm a C cup, by the end of the day my nipples hanging out. Nah. So I figured that I was a D, and if not a D, double D. But people look at me, they don't even think that I'm a D. I'm a D. Yeah. Your girl's a D. But anywho, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm like pretty shocked at how good this bra feels. Like even now, like I'm still wearing it, it doesn't feel like I'm wearing anything right now. Like it feels good. I feel like my husband was saying, like you can actually turn this into a style. Like this green, like what? Like I don't even know. Like I remember, I can show you guys photos. Like I used to always wear bras going out. Like I'll put a photo up here. Bras were my thing to go out in, and I feel like I want to bring that out, but it has to be a club. I'm not gonna go to dinner and I got a bra on. No, because the type of restaurants we go to are very high maintenance. They don't tolerate shit like this. They don't tolerate things like this. I'm sorry for cussing. HSIA, Hsia, whichever your name is, girls, make sure you guys go out there and cop them. I could tell you a few facts about this company. I'm just gonna go with Hsia. Hsia has been mentioned in many top fashion magazines, y'all, and I'm gonna name a few. They've been mentioned in Well and Good, Style Craze, The Cut, BuzzFeed, as well as Cosmopolitan. That's huge. They're credible. They're awesome. They're awesome. Their fabric is good. Like even when my husband was like, it's gonna sound weird when I say this. Even when my husband was feeling on them, like he said it was good material, and that is coming from a male. So that just goes to tell you how good the material is. The material is really good. The fabric they use is awesome. So according to, I'm gonna read it. I'm gonna read off my description of Hsia so you guys can know in case you guys don't feel like looking them up. Hsia bras are made of fine lace and mesh, both lightweight and breathable, and definitely breathable, that's for sure. Good structure, angled and vertical seams on the cups provide maximum lift and ensure everyday support. I can attest to that. Pressure relief straps and band, that's why they feel so comfortable. Adjustable soft brush straps relieve pressure on your shoulders and prevent digging in. Wideband and U-shaped leotard back, provide additional support, prevent back rolls, and keep the straps from slipping. Ooh, back roll. Let's talk about it. Because on the video I posted for yesterday's vlog, the back rolls were back rolling. I am not happy with how they look. But let me see. Let's see. The back rolling ain't back rolling like they were yesterday. And they're sewn on elastics at the top and bottom, make it more secure. Everything that I just read is by far 100% true because I'm wearing it right now. Okay, definitely go ahead and check them out. I'll even have the magazines that they're mentioned in down in the description. I'll have the links to the bras. I had the link to the website. Girls, go ahead and check them out. I know how hard it is to find good bras. Definitely check them out because why not? You know, when we pay for things, just like we have to pay for good hair, we want to pay for good lashes. We want to make sure everything looks good. We got to make sure the girls look good too. We got to make sure our bum look good. The girl down there is good. So why not spend the extra money to make sure everything is good? But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys, when I do a review, I'm being completely honest because the same way I get it is the same way I'm like first time trying them on. So I'm not bull crapping you guys. So I really do feel like this is awesome. And mind you, like I've tried many bras from Victoria's Secret, from different brands at Ross, different brands from Macy's. Like I've tried so many bras. The girls ain't moving in this one, trust me. The girls are not moving in this. Damn box keep falling. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I'll catch you in another video, y'all. I'll see y'all tomorrow.